How to know if your channel has a video copyright issues? What you can do is go to your studio, your YouTube studio, and on the left pane you will select your videos, and on the channel videos, underneath it there's an upload, and underneath the upload there's an inverted triangle, and click that and you will see there's a copyright claims. So if your channel has any copyright claims, it will be all listed here. Then how to deal with that? Well, because if you're not going to deal with it, it will become an issue, or it's going to affect the monetization of your channel. So all the channel that will be listed on the copyright claims is go to the visibility, and under the visibility there's a private one. Click on that. So you have an option here, private, unlisted, and public. So usually by default, if you have it public, then click the private, so that you will your video will not be viewed by the public. That's the only way that you can protect yourself from copyright claims. So after that, then you can save it. As for me, this was already private. Actually, I was surprised that I have a copyright claims, because this video was about a festival here in Vancouver that I took it myself. I recorded it. In short, I was the one who created the video, but the thing is, since it was done in public with lots of maybe advertisement that is being presented on the during the festival, maybe that's why this video was there's a copyright claims on this video. So be careful. So because even if you're the one who created the video, if your video shows some of those advertisement, or kind of or any kind of activities that promote something like businesses and other activities that might have some kind of property claims, then there's a chance that it will be copyrighted. Okay, so as simple as that, and thanks for subscribing, and don't forget to hit the notification bell for more video uploads.